Hey guys, Huda here from the.comgal.com, and today I am here with a new video on how to install a WordPress theme. So let's get started. So to get started, first of all, I'm going to show you two different methods that you can use to install a WordPress theme. One is going to be within your WordPress dashboard, and the other one is in case if you buy one that you have downloaded in a zip file, and then you can actually upload it in your dashboard. So before we get started, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and once you do, please press the bell button so that you're the first to know whenever a new video is out. So basically, I can only assume that you are a beginning blogger if you are trying to install a WordPress theme and you're trying to learn how to install a WordPress theme, in which case I would like to tell you that I have created a massive blogging guide that will show you everything from scratch, from choosing your niche, your blog name, building your blog, installing WordPress, writing your first blog post, promoting your content, and making money with your blog. If you are interested in reading this ultimate blogging guide, which is really long and it took me a couple of weeks to write, you are more than welcome to click the link below this video and check it out. It is free. It will not cost you anything. So let's get started with installing a theme in your WordPress blog. So let's have a look at our blog right now. It's called esljoin.com, and at the moment it has the default theme that always comes with the WordPress installation. This theme is called 2020. It's actually not such a bad theme, but if you want to change it, it's very easy. So first we go to our WordPress dashboard area, and then we go to appearance and then themes. So once we're in this page, you can see we have a bunch of themes here that you can choose from, but you can always do a search here. If you have something in mind, like for example, if your blog is about food or education or pets or whatever, you can just write that keyword here in the search bar. So for example, let's say this blog is about car repair. So let's write here car repair, and then you will see some kind of options here that you can choose from. So once you find something that you like, you just go ahead and install it. You click on install, and once it's installed, you activate it. So this is the active theme right now. So as you can see here, this is what we had before. So let's refresh this page and you will see this is what it looks like now. So let's see that the theme has changed once we refresh the page. And you see how it has changed. Obviously, this blog is empty. There is absolutely nothing on it, but the layout has changed completely. So this is the first method that you can use to install a theme. Now let's say that you have bought one. You have bought a theme from ThemeForest or any other place, or you have a free one that you have downloaded. It doesn't matter. You have it in a zip file. Normally when you download a theme, it's always a zip file. So in this case, instead of going to the search bar, you are going to click on upload theme. Then you're going to choose. Then you're going to look for your file, for your zip file, wherever you have it saved in your computer. So let's look at this green turtle mag. I have this downloaded, and then I click on install now. You can choose to click on live preview to see what it would look like. Again, the blog is empty, so you won't really see much, but you can already see that it's different. Or you can activate if you like this better. And now if we refresh the page again, we will see that the layout and the theme has changed, as you can see. So it's very simple, guys, very simple to install a theme in WordPress. It's very easy. All you need to do is either search or upload your theme to your WordPress admin area. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Again, if you like my content, please subscribe. And once you do, please press the bell button. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Give me a like if you like this video. And again, If you are a beginning blogger and you are confused, or you find the whole process of blogging overwhelming, or you suffer from information overload, please go to my blogging guide where I take you by the hand and I'll show you everything step by step, from getting your domain name to making money. You will find the link in the description below. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.